Good morning. So this is my first nature note, and I'm just at the Zopalote pond. So this is a wildlife pond, and as you can see, it's dry, and we're heading into the driest part of the dry season. So we need to repair it, and so I've brought along some pipe. And so one of the challenges we face here is that the wildlife doesn't have any water. The Yucatán doesn't have water above ground. It's all groundwater, and without a cenote, then the animals don't have water. So maintaining these ponds, and we built quite a few of them because a lot of wildlife use them, and we call this the Zopalote, or the vulture pond, because it's fairly open. You can see around. It's fairly open, and so this allows the vultures to come in, and so they can land in this open space, and then they come over and they can drink some water. And other animals like the deer and the coates and the chachalacas and different things like that, they come and use this pond. And we also have this set up here so that because they come, and the vultures will even take a bath here, but then they can't dry themselves off. They don't have natural oil glands, so we built this little place for them to roost, and so that they can dry their wings after they've taken a bath. And one of the challenges with this pond, we put a pipe here, but this black pipe, you can see, goes up. It's gravity fed from the windmill and the tank up near the house, and so it comes all the way down here. But animals seem to be able to like chewing on this black pipe, and so when I turn the water on, it's like a sprinkler system. There's so many holes, and I keep filling them and trying to repair it, but they keep coming in, biting holes, new holes again. So things like Swiss cheese now, and like a little sprinkler system. Instead of getting water to this pond, it's watering all the way along, and so no water actually gets to this pond anymore. And I fixed it again and again, but now I'm having to switch to this more solid white pipe, and that's what I'm going to be doing. So I need to have my machete here, and I'm going to be cutting through that dense area, just a thin line, so that I can lay out the pipe and lay it down flat. And I have to glue it together, and then we'll put it all back together. So that's just what we're doing today at Tsunul Reserve. And if you're quiet for a moment, you can hear all the birds. And also there's a lot of flowering plants happening right now. So there's a lot of different flowers on different trees around here. You can see some further away. So yeah, you just smell the difference with the restoration that we're doing. That's one of the things you do, is you smell the difference. Anyway, that's my update. If you want more information, we have our Planet Healers Path, and you're welcome to share in that community, or you can share it with other people that you think might find it useful. Thank you.